Welcome to Ace Baby Products series. Today we are showing you how to disassembly Ace Baby weighted Flexi-Straw cup. Align the markings. Pry open with tools. You may wash it under running water, or utilize the bottle cleaner to clean it. Sterilization in boiling water, recommended around 3 to 5 minutes in an open container. Sterilization in microwave, recommended 90 seconds for polypropylene bottles. 3 to 5 minutes for polyamide, or glass bottles, with fill 2/3 water. For teats and bottles parts, 90 seconds to 3 minutes, with half-filled water. To lock back the top cover, you need to align the markings of the top cover and the bottle, then just press down the top cover. Now the Flexi-Straw cup is ready to use. Thank you for watching.